So in order to get this snap ring off, if you don't have proper tools and don't want to go spend the money, what you'll do, right, take that corner, slip it up under there, get it in the hole. You may need to reorient a snap ring occasionally, but what you can do, get it up under there. Boom! That is part one. Right there. Make sure you don't lose it because you probably don't have more like me. So then you transfer. Alright, make sure you see how that side's shiny and that side's not. Alright, cool. Now we'll set it on there. Thumb and forefinger. Right, like so. Oh, almost. You want the very tip resting on this. And then apply pressure down. If you get one side, cool. Hold that side. Then, without stabbing your thumb, that's halfway on. Then you just press down. Voila. That's how that's done. Ta-da! Don't need snap ring pliers. Fast and easy this actually is. Oh. All I'm doing is walking the screwdriver around. Voila. Then take that guy, orient him correctly, slip that guy off, slip this guy back on, keep your washer, and same thing. Ta-da! One more for the person in the back. Ta-da! There you go. Nothing more than a screwdriver.